Okay, well, I'm finishing up the truck's rework. Quite a bit of detail, may or may not be interesting, but I actually drilled a hole in the pivot arm so that the wires that go from the pickups pivot with the truck, so that they exit out the bottom and they will move along the back and not get in the way of the wheels. And that keeps everything rolling and running smooth here. I added a little shim to tighten that up a little bit, and I had to do some grinding to get clearances around the pieces like I did on the other side, but we're in good shape now. This side's a little tricky because there's a magnet right there. Oops, right there. And that magnet goes past that switch, and that fires the chuff in this vintage soundboard. So you hear chuff, chuff, chuff every time it goes by. But if I want to pick up from that wheel, I've got to go around that magnet and then come back into the wheel underneath. But then I also have to miss the magnet as I come around. So I had to cut it short and make sure it works in either direction. But we got it. And the other one, same thing, drilled a hole, threw it out. I had to do a few experimental holes here to figure out where to mount the reed switch the best, and it seems to be just behind the wheels near the center. That keeps it out of the way of the wheel and gives it enough range of motion. So I think the bottom half now is ready to go, and I'm going to work on the top half, which is going to be mounting everything. Oh yeah, I broke something. It was okay. It wasn't going to work anyway, so it was fine. I'm going to rework that piece. A couple of things I'm going to have to do is I've got to raise the this board. This board here has to be raised up taller to clear all of the contacts, because there are some connections down here that could actually rub with some of these pieces inside here. So I got to be careful I don't short out my control board. So I'm going to have to make a new part or something. I got the holes offset the wrong way. It's just a mess. You can see that the holes are offset to the rear. There we go. And they should be offset to the front. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to figure that out. I had to cut these off to get them rethreaded. They go to the soundboard. The good news is, the really good news is, let's see if I can put this back together some fashion. Maybe not. Anyway, it sort of goes like this. This guy's going to go like this. And if you look down, pretend this guy's over here and this guy's over here. They will be shortly, okay? That fits. Soundboard and the smart smoke board fit to the degree I'm pretty certain we can put a brand new full-size speaker right in the back. I'm pretty sure. I test fitted that a little earlier, and it looks like we're going to be able to. So we should have some fabulous sounds out of this soundboard and rearranging these pieces. So for the level 1, you'll have some good sounds. You'll have the digital reverse, the DC motor, the all-wheel pickup, and the smart smoke calibrated for the metal vintage smoke generator. So, oh, and I got traction tires on here. Oh my, this thing is getting loaded. Okay, lot to do. It's 4 o'clock. I don't know if I'll get anything completed, but I'll fill you in as time goes. Okay, later.